I'm going to show you how to use the Audio Nook in the library. First, make sure the USB cables are connected. There's one in the back of the mic, and there's also one in the back of the computer. After you've made sure the device is physically connected, you can go to the Apple menu and check the system preferences, and then click on the sound icon, and you could double check here that the input is set to USB. Currently I have my headphones receiving the sound, but the input is going to the USB. I see the lights moving. This means that the microphone is recognized and working correctly. Now that I've checked my mic, I'm ready to begin recording in Audacity. Locate the Audacity icon in the dock, click it one time. Notice it begins to bounce. Here's Audacity. When I'm ready to record, I could click the record button here. Notice that the blue snowball is showing up as my recording device. That's all good. So I click record. Now I'm recording in Audacity. I move the mic to the side of my mouth so it doesn't catch the wind as I'm talking or the pops so much. When I'm done recording, I click stop. If I want to continue editing in Audacity, I can save this project. Audacity is good when I need to keep editing things, but if I just want to record a raw recording and I'm done editing now, I can do File, Export. If it's just a small recording that I want to share with people and I don't care about the quality so much, I can use MP3. Notice it says MP3 here. I have some choices. I'm going to ignore those for now. The defaults are good. Click Save. Click OK again. If I wanted to save it as a high quality lossless recording, which is useful for editing, I could save it as a WAV file. That's basically for PCs or Windows machines, but for Macs, I probably want to save it as an AIF file. So there are a bunch of choices here. I'm going to go with AIFF. It's going to the desktop. I click Save. I click OK. So now I've recorded my test recording. A quick comparison of these two files will show you the difference in terms of size. The AIF file, which is a lossless recording, is 975 kilobytes, almost a megabyte, whereas the MP3 file is 1/5 the size at 173 kilobytes. So MP3s are easier to share, but you lose information that you need to make further edits. Thank you. I hope this helps.